What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. I bought 5 stocks today. Some of them are in each sector. I'm going to describe each of them. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss future videos. And if you like this video, make sure you hit a like so that the rest of the community and the dividend warriors out there can see this. So I bought 5 stocks today. First of all, Unilever. Okay, UL, which is a stock that's one of my favorites. In my M1 finance portfolio, I put in some money, and I got 1 share of Unilever. Unilever is a very strong stock right now. I did a stock analysis video on Unilever, and so far things are looking really good with this company. It owns many products, which include Axe right here. Right here, if you see the sign in the stores, you know that's Unilever. Very hot stock right now, in my honest opinion. I bought XOM, ExxonMobil, symbol XOM. Right now, it is taking a hit. The oil industry is taking a hit right now. I also bought OXY, the symbol. I bought 10 shares in that in my E-Trade portfolio. It's down right now. I'm going to take a little bit of a risk on that with my E-Trade dividend portfolio and then go from there. So that's another, I actually got 2 oil stocks today. Third one is KO. Everybody knows what Coca-Cola is. One of my favorite stocks. It is a very strong stock. It has raised its dividend over the years, and I can see it being very strong. It's actually cheaper than Pepsi as well. So that's one thing you might want to look into. I think it's for someone that doesn't have all the money compared to Pepsi, it is a great investment to look into. I also got BIP. It's basically a energy and infrastructure company, very strong right now. Symbol BIP. Look that up. So far, it is down. I put that in my M1 finance portfolio. I needed something that wasn't a strong energy stock, and I'm going to continue to start slashing my M1 finance portfolio a little bit more. My long-term goal is to get to $100,000 in my M1 finance portfolio. So that is one thing that I'm going to look into. They also, WestRock. Have you ever heard of WestRock? So WRK is the other symbol. WestRock, it's basically the second biggest packaging company in the United States as of right now. Very hot company, in my honest opinion, has raised its dividends since 2015. Unilever has started to raise its dividend as well. Symbol UL. BIP has been raising its dividend. KO has been raising its dividend. WRK has raised its dividend. Unilever has raised its dividend. I'm going to make sure. Let's see. I'm just going to leave this here for a second. BIP, KO, XOM, WRK, and UL. Okay, so that's one thing I want you to look into. Those 5 stocks are pretty strong. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but again, you should have multiple sources of income. When you make an M1 finance portfolio, it is always important to have the wheel spinning. If you want a dividend portfolio with M1 finance, you should have you should have each sector. You should have at least some defense stocks in there as well. But when you have your dividend portfolio, it's good to have one that attacks each month. For example, Coca-Cola's and ExxonMobil, they're on 1 month. I have Iron Mountain as well. Iron Mountain's another month. I have Seagate, that's on the same month as Iron Mountain. So as you see, I have at&t, which attacks a certain month. So I have it situated so that everything gets distributed in each month. So once I start getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, I'm going to add certain stocks and more stocks so that I have each month, I can start attacking each month. I plan on adding Clorox and some bigger companies, but right now I don't have the money, and I want to at least have 10 shares in each of them before I start slashing and adding. So as of right now, I'm on my E1 or E-Trade portfolio. I think I'm going, one of my plans was to keep on going with that, But I'm starting to realize the potential of M1 Finance with having my money make money and reinvest, and that way I can reinvest more stocks when I put in more money. I thought about doing that with my my Fundrise account, but things just weren't. I'm gonna just leave it there and park it and Fundrise. We'll see how it is. It's one sector. It's a rate sector. I'm going to post a video on Rich Uncles shortly, give you an update on what they are saying. In an email, they are discussing what's going on with their BRICS rate and updates, which they are doing a very good job with, as well as Fundrise. But here's the thing. You should don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's one of my honest opinions when it comes to stocks. If you have your eggs all in one basket, if one sector takes a huge hit, like for example, my rates, Store Capital, Americold, EPR Properties, those guys took a huge hit. My rates, Realty Income took a little bit of a hit. I know it'll bounce back because they're pretty strong stocks, but I did buy into Delta Airlines as well. But over time, these companies are going to be strong. But again, diversifying, like when you have a mutual fund, let me just give you an example. When you have a mutual fund, okay, how many stocks are in there? It's usually specialized. So like in my 401k, I have some rates in there. I have like a healthcare one, which is really strong by BlackRock. Let me know if you want me to post I'm not going to post how much money is in my 401k, but I will show you how aggressive I am with my portfolio and how I feel about it, because I did speak with my financial advisor, and I'll show you my strategy since I need to have a strong M1 finance account and I need to have a strong 401k. In the long run, I'm not going to touch my 401k. I'm going to let my money make money, obviously. But if you get the picture, compound interest is the most important thing when it comes to making an M1 finance portfolio or a dividend portfolio in any account. It doesn't matter if it's Robinhood, if it's E-Trade, if it's M1 Finance, but the M1 Finance, you have the opportunity to make a pie chart and start cutting and slashing stocks and starting to have your money make money a little bit faster if you start putting it in, because the stocks and everything, they start switching off. So I'm just excited to see what will happen in the long run, as well as you guys with a lot of your dividend portfolios that you make. A lot of people are enjoying the $1,000 or $100,000 journey to their M1 Finance account. But I'm just really excited to show you guys some hot stocks out there that I invest in and that you guys can consider to have in your dividend portfolios or to make some passive income. So this is, again, why I made my channel. Just made an intro video. I know I looked right back, back and forth on my, introduction, but really it's all about you guys. It's about having and enjoying a life where you can make passive income and kind of treat it as a retirement pension. So this is what I'm doing with my money. Instead of going out and partying, I'm going to invest in the stock market, because you know what? Your money makes money. You're going to be happy. You're going to be successful, and you're going to be a smart investor in the long run. So this is what my channel is about, helping you and empowering you to become a very strong dividend investor. Again, I'm not a financial investor, but I am here to help you guys out and offer advice, not from a financial advisor standpoint, because I'm not, but I'm just posting videos on how my stock portfolio is growing and some things you can look into to diversify your portfolio. So again, if you were watching this video, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you like these 5 stocks, again, Unilever, symbol UL, Westrock, WRK, XOM, KO, Coca-Cola, and BIP. Those are my 5 stocks that I bought today. And I am excited to see how my portfolio grows. The stock market seems it will grow and get stronger. But as of right now, I am letting my money make money on my account, and go from there. So I'm going to post a video right now on rich uncles and let you know how things are going with that. And that's about it. I hope you guys are having a safe time out there. I hope nobody is sick. Make sure you wash your hands and you do social distancing, and make sure that you keep your hands away from your face. Make sure you clip your nails and wash your hands, as I am a registered nurse and I am trying to educate you guys from avoiding from getting sick. Have a good one. Take care. And you guys have a great night.